Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Be Kind Collaboration, and that's being hosted by At Home with Lisa and this is Latanya Yvette. So we do have some co-hosts, and let me go ahead and mention them. So we have Styling with Gigi Fashion, we have Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie, Pedal is Blessed DIY, Annalise Cupboards, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. Actually, I think it's Buckeye Girls Recent Things. We also have Creations by Simone, the Aria Lifestyle, Pretty DIYs, Shador 2023, Thad's Honey-Do List, and the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now here you see me sorting some of this greenery and taking the tags off. Now this greenery is absolutely gorgeous, so it's definitely a step up from what they normally carry at Dollar Tree. I am loving it. So I'm taking the tags off and fluffing it up because I want to use it when I go over and decorate my coffee table for this Be Kind collab. Now remember, as in all collaborations, we want to follow YouTube protocol. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss Be Kind. Okay, so I think I'm pretty much done taking these tags off of these. Let's get ready to go decorate. Now I'm starting out with this beautiful sequins tablecloth for this coffee table, and I believe I purchased that at Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and finish this table off, and I'll be in and out of the video. So all of the greenery I did get at Dollar Tree, but everything else was pretty much DIY except for that tray, and I believe I got that on clearance at Home Goods. So now the bee vase I DIY'd, and then all of those florals you see are nice and they're beautiful looking. Those I got at the Dollar Tree. So let me go ahead and continue setting this up. I'll be right back with you guys. Now guys, this is my first collaboration after coming home from the mission trip, so I do sound a little bit tired, but I am feeling great to be home. Okay, so now this is looking great. I think we're almost ready to head on over to the reveal. Now, I am absolutely loving the way this table came out. Again, those candle holders in the back, everything on the table was DIY'd except for that tray. And that bow I absolutely love because it has little bees all over it. It is so cute. And then the Dollar Tree's carrying those little birds I placed on that greenery. And of course, that little fur scarf that did come from the Dollar Tree, guys, and it looks so beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and don't forget to head on over to my Moments of Grace channel so that you can see everything that we were involved in on the measures trip. I cannot wait for you to see it. So have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next video.